My name is Aryan Sarkar and I'm representing my team, Vision. So, me along with my teammates, Sanjeeb, Nath, and Aman Dewangan have come up with this wonderful product called MedIoT, another track, social good, and open innovation. You might wonder what is MedIoT? Well, MedIoT is a product that combines healthcare services with technology. What we would like to achieve with MedIoT is that patients can avail basic healthcare services at the ease and comfort of their houses, offices, etc. So this means that patients would no longer have to be available physically at their doctor's clinic, chambers, dispensaries, hospitals, etc. in order to get themselves checked against their diseases or ailments. All they would need is a phone or a laptop with access to a web portal and a special medical toolkit. Our special medical toolkit is an IoT device with various medical equipments that would help the doctor access the patient well. This medical toolkit is specially customized, keeping in mind of the patient's current needs, ailments, diseases, in order to say previous medical histories. This comes in wake of the ongoing pandemic situation when most patients are scared to visit their doctors physically because they might get infected at the clinic. This would also help many patients out there who live in remote areas that are unable to visit the doctors in person. MedIoT is designed to cater all such patients who want to get themselves checked remotely. Now, I would like my colleague Aman Dewangan to tell us more about MedIoT.
So now we will be switching to the hardware portion of the project. So now we are on the Raspberry Pi. The sensors have been connected. If you want to see how connections have been done on our Raspberry Pi, you can check out the GitHub link that has been achieved to the attached to the dev folio. Check out the GitHub repository link and see the connections. So now as our connections are ready, we will directly jump onto the Raspberry Pi terminal and execute our code. So as you can see, the data is being pushed to two of the databases. Actually, for our project, we have only three sensors attached. One is the pulse oximeter, another is the pressure measuring device, and third one is our temperature measurement. As because the biosensors come really expensive in the market, therefore we have to go for some of the cheap alternatives that are available with us in the lockdown. That's why. Otherwise, it's everything fine. You just have to replace them with the sensors, expensive ones or the biosensors that are available in the market, and that's done. So as you can see, the database is being pushed. The data is being pushed into the database, and now let's check what is it really happening or not. So let's check the UDBots devices. So as you can see, our location is already fixed over here. We have our API labels and all. Now let's check it by refreshing it once. Is it pushing data or not? So yeah, in a few seconds, the data is being transmitted, and if we check it in detail, yeah, the data is being transmitted, and we have our graphs also over here. What kind of data, at which time it has been pushed, everything. And so this is the hardware part of the project. Now we will switch to the software side, that is our PHP based website. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is the website of MedIoT which we have built. This is the home page. As you can see, here you can see this is the basic home page that we have. Here we have the AI tool which you can use for free without signing in our website. So let me use that AI tool. So basically what this AI tool does is you can enter in your symptoms, your birth date, and on the basis of that it will predict what kind of disease and what percentage of it are you on risk. So I'm going to enter my birth year here, and I'm a male. So let's suppose I have a problem in my abdomen. Now I can select my symptom. Again, I understand that and click on analyze disease pattern. And it is gonna return me the probability of different kind of symptoms that I may have. Next, we also have login, which you can use to log in, and you can also sign up. So I already have an account, so I am gonna log in. So once I log in, my details show up. This is the dashboard that I have. Here the AI tool is same as the AI tool which was on the home page. Here you can click on consult, and when you go to consult with doctors, you can see there are a list of various doctors which are registered with us. Once you click on connect, a video call opens and there will be a two-way connection between the doctor and the patient, and you can chat with the doctor as well. And this is one part of it. And as you can see, once I go back to the dashboard, there is also a feature of real-time monitoring. Here what we'll do is we'll take the input from our IoT circuit and we'll show the details to the user here. So if I click on check my vitals here right now, so see right now my blood oxygen level is 96.36, my blood pressure is 98 atmospheres, and my temperature is 31.4 degrees Celsius. So once I click on save, so it shows that my data was successfully saved. So if I go to my data, here you go, my data was successfully saved, and this data can be used by the doctor to analyze the patient history as well. So this is the basic website that we have built.